how to fix Stumble Guys update error. Now, hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we're going to fix if you're having issues updating your Stumble Guys game on your smartphone. So without further ado, let's get started. So first things first, you want to first make sure that your internet connection is working just fine, because sometimes due to a lack of stable internet connection, this could be causing the issue. So make sure you're connected to a stable network. Second thing, if you're using the app on your Android phone, right? So what you can do on Android is, from your home screen or your app screen drawer, long press on the Stumble Guys app icon and you'll find this I button that says app info. So all you have to do is click on this app info button right here. Now over here, you have to go to this option that says storage usage. And when you're here, you can simply try to clear the cache files. Do not tap on clear data unless you're sure that you have linked your account and backed up your game progress. Now after you've done all that, if you're using Android, you want to simply open up your Google Play Store. If you're using iPhone, you want to open up your App Store. Go to the search icon from the bottom of the screen, and over here you want to simply type in Stumble Guys, and right there you can say Stumble Guys, and if it requires an update, you will see an update button here instead of play. If it says play or open, it means it is already updated to the latest version. And this way, hopefully you would be able to fix Stumble Guys update error. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.